Hello friends, let us we take lesson 2 about the Mongo database. So how do we create a database? How do we create also a collection? So what is a collection? So a collection is a set of document. Okay, when we say collection, a collection is a set of document. It means many documents made up a collection. So what is a document? Document is made up many fields. So many fields make a document. Okay. Step by step, I'm going to show you how you can create a collection and even how to create a document step by step. So as you see here, we have a database. Database is indicated by this silent symbol. Look, so it means here you have how many documents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 database. In a database, we have a collection. Into a collection, we have documents. Can you see here? In this database called student, inside there is two documents. Okay, this is a storage size. Into this database, there is two collections. You can consider collection as folder, as the folder in Excel format. These are two folders. So in a Mongo, we are called them as collection. Okay. Into a folder, there is some files. For example, these are a file 1, file 2, file 3, but in a Mongo DB, these are known as document. Document 1, document 2, next by next. So we have 6 documents. So for example, here we have Excel table format. So we want to create a Mongo database with this data. So in a Mongo, there's a titles. You are seeing here ID, name, sex, city, responsibility, monthly salary are considered as field. Those are fields. So row 1 is document 1. Row 2 is document 2. This is document 3 in Mongo database. So after typing this row, we finish to consider or type document 1. After finishing this is document 2. Data for somewhere are called document 3. So let us start. So we always consider this is a format which is known as field. Structure is a field and value pair. We always Note this. A field always have value. Have field double point, then value also here. So when it is a string, you put these symbols, quotation mark. But when it is numbers or integers, for example ID, numbers, you don't put this quotation mark, okay? But it is a structure. Always in a Mongo database, this is the structure we use, okay? Let us start. Start this Mongo database. Can start now. So we can create our database by passing here database name. You can call it, for example, or instead of clicking here, you can also use this or the same. So work as database, then you put here salary, okay? It's as you call it a database as the name of work, then here put the salary, then you put create database, okay? We are done now. So what next is to put some data. To put some data, you click here, here is where you can pass it through, because here you have Mongosh as a coding language for Mongo database, okay? Click here, then you start here. Step 1, use, type use, okay? Remember we are here, look where we are typing. So type use, database name. Database is work. Use a work. Our name of database is a work. Then you click enter key on your keyboard. So you see, switched to database work. It means everything we are going to type will go in the database known as work, okay? So we can start. As you see here, also we have our local database or a host, then there is a database named work and the correctional called salary. So we are going to put everything or document into salary as folder. So here you put database. Remember what we need is our Excel. Here we have Excel. This Excel, we are going to type each and everything in that database. Step 1, we type ID, then you type document 1 is one Kaka Andrew, sex is a female, then Losange is a cleaner, step by step. Okay, so start database or DB database dot insert, but where we have to put, we put in the salary database salary, is here as the folder of our database dot insert 1. Why do you put 1? We write 1 in a plural. We write 1 by starting by capital letter 1. Then bracket, curly bracket here, as I said. Then you start by putting a field and a value pair. You put first of all is id underscore double point, then it is 1, comma. The person 1 is the field 1 is a name. Kaka Andrew, put the name, double point, Kaka Andrew. But remember, it's a string. You put quotation mark, Kaka Andrew. Then another field is a sex, double point, string is a Kaka is a female, comma. Another field is city. City is a Los Angeles. Okay, as city double point, string Los Angeles, comma. Also there is a monthly salary, or the responsibility is a cleaner. Responsibility double point, string cleaner, a cleaner, then comma, monthly salary, double point. The monthly salary is 21,000. So we are done. Why do we put 1 here? Is it because we want to insert only one document. If we are going to type each and everything in once, you put here many, then you type all of them. So we are done. After finishing, you can click enter on your keyboard. So we are done. So it means one document is inserted in a collection called salary in a database called work. Okay. So then after you can refresh. To check whether you are done or you have put your document inside. So you can also insert another one. You can copy this, you paste here, then you change ID is a 2, the name for the next one is Abigail Bonnie, sex, can you put a male, for example, then city is a Kigali, here responsibility, his responsibility is then his monthly salary is 100,000. So then click enter. So this is inserted an ID2, for example the second one. So you continue to finish all of them. Can also insert the third one. The third one is Samuel, has ID of 3. Samuel is sex is a male. His city is Dodoma, or for example Bobare. Responsibility is driver. His monthly salary is 45,000. So then enter. So you are done. You see? So after finishing this coding with the Mongosh or Mongo DB shell, you click here, find or refresh or run. You click here to see everything. Okay, so you can see that our file or our document are here. We have name 1, sex, we have this one. So also you can continue. So we can stop here. So next we will see how you can drop, or you can delete, or you can update this correction. How you can call or retrieve one of them when you have many.